let's take a quick look at how filtering works in both Alteryx and Savant, and why filtering is faster and more flexible in Savant. Filtering helps you narrow your data to just the rows you need. For example, maybe you want to isolate orders over $10,000 or customers from California. In Alteryx, you drag in the filter tool, choose basic or custom mode, and write a single expression. If you want to apply multiple conditions, you often need to stack several filter tools together. In Savant, the filter tool supports both a builder for simple filters and an expression editor for more advanced logic. Here, I'm using the builder to filter for records where the region is equal to south. You can stack multiple conditions in one filter tool. Savant keeps things simple, fewer clicks, less clutter, and easier to read. Plus, because Savant runs in the cloud, you can filter millions of rows without slowing down your computer. So whether you're migrating from Alteryx or just getting started with data prep, filtering in Savant is faster, simpler, and built for scale. Have a question? We're here to help. You can reach out to Savvy, our AI chatbot, or connect with our team and other users in the Savant community. And if you like this series, subscribe for more Savant versus Alteryx videos.